Hey, what's up mga Dorping? So we are back guys for this new video. So today's video, we're gonna take a look these retro keycaps from Akko. And this is the carbon retro keycap. These are budget keycaps by Akko. And pag-uusapan natin yung looks and quality of these keycaps. What I have here, my main keyboard, which is the Akko PC75B+. This keyboard is 75% and has 75 keys. Akko, baka naman, kahit yung ACR Pro Alice Plus lang. Thank you in advance. We're gonna see kung bagay ba or anong mababago nitong keycap sa ating keyboard. Bago tayo magpatuloy sa video natin, gusto mo bang mag-improve ang iyong desk setup gamit ng isang malupitong mousepad? Kasi meron tayong napakaganda at super quality na desk pad from TD CustomPads. Actually, tatlo yung ni-request ko sa kanila. Napakabait, kaya thank you so much. Kita nyo naman yung design at print quality. Wow, ang ganda talaga. Wala akong masabi. Napaka-premium ng quality. Microfiber cloth gamit dito, kaya napaka-smooth ng mouse ko. Pag gaming talaga. Waterproof din ito. Siyempre fully washable pa and madaling linisin pag nadumihan. Guys, yung kapal pala nito is 5mm thick. Ang kapal niya, grabe. Pwede mo tong gawing kumot. Di, joke lang. Mabibili nyo mga mousepad na to sa Facebook or sa Shopee store nila. Andyan sa description. Marami kayong pagpipilian. Pwede din customize. Kaya ano pang hinihintay nyo? Avail na. Before natin ilagay sa keyboard, pag-usapan muna natin itong mga keycaps. Sa box nila, hindi nila ginamit dito yung premium na case design since medyo budget lang ito. They just use a plastic trays and foam, pero all goods naman. 155 keycaps ang meron dito sa box. Madami na rin and madami din siyang included na artisan or custom keycaps. Meron din silang small space bar para sa mga alis na keyboard, yung pinakita ko kanina. May different colors sila para sa contrast. Mamaya ilalagay natin yan at makikita natin kung bagay ba or magugustuhan natin. Yung quality ng keycaps is double layer siya. And syempre quality keycaps to, mas makapal siya sa mga ibang nagamit kong keycaps. Say low PVT mga to na medyo ayaw ko or di lang siguro ako sanay kasi flat sila hindi yung pa-curve. Mamaya ikukumpara ko sa mga keycaps na meron ako dito. Uniform profile na rin pala ito, which means na pwede mong ikabit ang mga keycaps anywhere from the board. And you don't need to worry about its shapes. Here's a comparison on my other keycaps. Yung stock niya, PVT din. Pasensya na, di ko alam ano tawag sa mga ganyan. Basta tingnan nyo na lang. Meron din ako ng honey milk keycaps. Tinanggal ko na rin yung sa red dragon ko. At yung mga normal na mechanical keyboard keycaps. Kayo na bahala kung alin dyan ang mas prefer nyo. Without being said, install na natin tong mga keycaps. As I said before, is gagamitin natin dito is my main keyboard. I've been using this keyboard for 2 months and I like the sound of it and the switch that uses here. Akko Air gamit nila dito na napaka-smooth pag pinipindot. Parang silang nakaloob and ang ganda ng click sounds nila. Mamaya maririnig nyo rin yan. I am now addicted to Akko products since last month or I would say last year. Their product quality is great and super worth it for their price range. Next time I will make a video review about this keyboard, the PC75B+, and what can I say about it, so stay tuned in my channel. Once we're done putting all the keycaps, I can say na wow, ang ganda. It fits perfectly in my keyboard. Bagay na bagay. Of course, you can use the artisan orange keycaps or not. It's up to you. Iba-iba tayo ng taste but I like it plain and it fits perfectly on my setup. If you wanna hear the before and after sound test, eto siya. What can you say guys about the sound test? May nagbago ba or same thing lang? Also, the looks and the quality of these keycaps. Tell us in the comment section down below para mabasa natin yan at yung Akko mismo. Ano daw mismo? Para sa akin, yes, for me, this keycaps is super worth it for its price. Di ko pala nasabi yung price nito, no? Yung price pala nitong Carbon Retro keycaps is only 1,599 on Shopee. Sabi ko sa inyo, mura lang. Sa quality and looks nito, worth it na yung 1.6 mo. Actually, meron itong different variants or I would say colors. We have Prunus Lanisania, pink and white sila, black and pink keycaps, and this Carbon Retro I have. Balik tayo sa sinabi ko kanina. As I said before is meron silang 3 colors to choose from. Kaya kung naghahanap kayo ng budget na ASA low profile na keycaps, I would recommend this. The looks and the quality are great. Hindi mabilis mabura yung mga letters and characters dito dahil sa shot PVD keycaps. Overall, I really like this keycaps and I will use it as my daily using. Maybe in the future, malay natin meron tayong marireceive na another keycaps or I would say keyboard. Who knows, diba? Before I end up this video, I just wanna thank Akko for sending us these keycaps for us to review and unbox in our channel. So yes, I think that's it for the video for today. I hope you like it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Stay tuned with my newest videos. Alright guys, peace. Bye-bye. See ya.